Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So I didn't film an intro for this video, so I thought I'd throw in a quick voiceover, but I'm doing a tutorial. It's another hair tutorial of this wig I've been rocking recently. The hair was initially in natural colour and it's by Unice hair. I got sent the body wave texture. I got 18, 20, 22 and 24 I think, or 18, 22 and 24, and an 18-inch frontal. So it was originally natural colour and I had it coloured for me. I don't have a video on this because it was done for me, and my wigs are obviously, as you know, done for me as well. But I think I do have a video that is similar to this colour that I have done before in the past. I will link it in terms of the colour similarities. I'd say the colour is more like a dark brown with like caramel highlights. It initially was made into like a side part wig, but I decided to flip it and make it into a middle part. So I went ahead and added some more highlights, as you can see around the bangs area. All I did was literally to bleach that section. I bleached it with 30 developer and bleach. Obviously this particular hair, I don't know if it's the brand itself, it doesn't lift really quickly. It does fairly, like a fair bit, but not as quick. So I was able to lift the hair as light as I could get it, but it did have some brassy tone. So what I did was to wash it with some purple shampoo, and then I dyed it with some box dye. I will link the name of the box dye in the description box. Yeah, so what I'm doing literally is just cutting the layers and trying to lay the layers as usual. I have so many videos of me doing this, so I will link them if you need more of an in-depth video. But yeah, I did that and also just decided to curl it as well. I will show you how I got that done. I wanted to add pin curls. I tried it for the second time, the pin curl style. It just doesn't seem to work for me. I think it might also be the hair in terms of how well it holds a curl. It seems to hold better with curling wands and curling tongs, but the pin curls, if you remember my last video, I did a pin curl tutorial, which was an absolute fail. But yeah, this particular hair just doesn't seem to work with pin curls, so I did go over it again with a curling wand, but I will show you at the end of the video. Just to mention, the wig was made by EA Hair. I will link her, I'll put her name in the description box. I don't know if you can tell, but on the right side of my wig there's more of it's like a caramelly blonde highlight, which was what she did, and I was trying to match that color on the other side, which you obviously can tell it's not quite the same. I don't know what she did. I think she did do a couple of tries with the coloring and toning, and like I said, when I did try to bleach it, it didn't give me the proper blonde I wanted, but I did add a box dye. But yeah, that was the color I was trying to match on my left side, which is your right, but you can see it's quite different. But I think once I styled it, once I curled it, you don't see the difference as much. I left the pins in for about 2 hours. I was literally like, this is gonna be so nice, like with the colors and the highlights and everything. Also, let me know how you get the pins out without it like tugging and getting caught, because whenever I try to get the pins out, I always kind of like get it messed up, but as you can see, like it's dropping and there's literally no curl. I see other stylists do this technique and it looks absolutely amazing, but it's just a big fail for me. So I don't know if I'm doing something wrong. It's my technique, the way I'm curling it, the way I'm putting in the pins. I just don't know, but all I know is it just doesn't work. Look at it. It literally feels like I just didn't do anything. So I had to go over it with my curling wand. So basically, the pin curls didn't work. So I tried the Andrew Barton. So I literally went over it again and curled the entire hair again. This definitely works a little bit better than my other ones. So which is what I've done. So yeah, this is pretty much the look. Probably brush it out a little bit more, but just so I don't like completely brush it out for the video, this is what it looks like. I feel like I'm gonna have to add some more hair at the bottom. It is quite thin at the bottom, to give it more volume, because it's kind of like, it's supposed to be like a, I don't know, layered effect, but it's a lot shorter at the top and a lot thinner at the bottom. So I think I have like some extra tracks I can add, but battery's about to die. I will put everything in the description box, the info on the hair. Like I said, the hair was colored for me, so I couldn't show you that part, but I do have a lot of like coloring videos anyway, so you can have a look at that. I did do something similar to this in one of my old videos. I'll probably link it. It's quite a similar colour that I've done, maybe that I've done before, I'm not sure. But it does look quite familiar. So I'll link that video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.